Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify capitalization versus expense rules using Xero, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Xero and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard section. Select the accounting menu from the top navigation bar. Click on reports within the accounting menu. Locate the general ledger report in the reports section. Choose the time period for which you want to verify capitalization versus expense. Run the report to view all transactions during that period. Review the entries for fixed assets or capital assets. Identify transactions that should be capitalized. Verify the criteria for capitalization in your accounting policy. Make sure expenses that do not meet capitalization criteria are categorized correctly. Document any discrepancies found between capitalized and expensed items. To correct any errors, go back to the main dashboard. Select Business from the top menu, then click on Bills to Pay. Review all bills that have been entered as expenses. Verify if any should be reclassified as capitalized costs. Edit the bill entries as necessary to change their classification. Navigate back to the Reports section to rerun the general ledger. Confirm that corrections have been applied to the report. Use the fixed asset report to review all capitalized items. Ensure asset values are reflected accurately in the reports. Check the trial balance report to verify overall financial standings. Conclude the process by maintaining proper documentation for all changes made. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.